video is about exercise number 14A, question number 6. And question is, a rectangular block of metal is 0.24 meter long, 0.19 meter wide and 0.15 meter high. Rectangular block means its shape is cuboid. And from this statement, we need to follow the right recipe. First, we are going to read and record the statement. Just write all the measurements which is given. So rectangular block, we need to find the volume of this one. Why volume? If the metal block is melted to form a cube. In this one, there is a requirement that metal block is going to melt and basic shape is cube. And we need to find the length of each side of the cube. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Substitute all values. Length is 0.24 meter, breadth is 0.19 meter, and height is 0.15 meter. Multiply all these values. 0.24 with 0.19, 0.24 multiply with 0.19. Answer is 0.0456. So 0.0456 and unit is square meter, and after this multiply with 0.15. Volume is equal to 0.0456 multiply with 0.15. 0456, sorry. Here is 0. 0456 multiply by 0.15. So answer is 0.00684. 0.00684 cubic meter. This one is the volume of rectangular block. And this metal is going to melt and one basic cube is here. So we need to find the length of each side of the cube. As we already know that the formula to find the volume of cube is volume is equal to L cube. So write cube in the place of power. L cube. We have one basic volume of cuboid metal block. So volume is 0.00684 is equal to L cube. As we need to find the length of each side of cube, so there is 3, so single length value we needed by taking cube root on both sides. By taking cube root, we will take cube root of 0.0684, 0.00684 cubic meter is equal to L3 cube, and take cube root. So take cube root. As we know that cube and cube root cancel each other powers. So here is L. They both cancel cube and cube root. Single L is equal to, now we will take cube root of 0.0684. So cube root 0.00684, answer is 0.18982439992. We need to round off towards three significant figures. So say 2 or 3, it's up to you. 0.1899824 and round off this one. So answer is 0.18, or you can say 0.19. 0.19. If you will not round off, then answer is correct. I hope this video helps to understand how to do question number 6 of exercise 14a. If you feel any problem or any confusion in this concept, please comment below. Allah Hafiz.